Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw from Dreamstime video contributor payments, complete guide step by step clearly. To withdraw your payments from Dreamstime as a video contributor, begin by logging into your Dreamstime account. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings. Look for the section labeled Payment Information or Withdrawals. Here, you will see the available withdrawal options. Choose your preferred payment method, which may include PayPal, bank transfer, or other options. If this is your first time making a withdrawal, you may need to enter your payment details. Follow the prompts to input the necessary information for your chosen payment method. After entering your details, confirm that they are accurate. Next, return to the payment information page. You should see your current earnings balance displayed. To initiate a withdrawal, locate the withdrawal button or link. Click on this button to proceed with your request. You will be prompted to enter the amount you wish to withdraw. Ensure that the amount does not exceed your current earnings balance. Once you have entered the amount, confirm your withdrawal. You may receive a confirmation message indicating that your request has been submitted. Check your email for any notifications regarding your withdrawal status. Withdrawals usually take a few business days to process. Be patient as the transaction is completed. Keep in mind that processing times may vary depending on your chosen payment method. Once your payment is processed, you will receive a notification from Dreamstime. This will confirm that the funds have been sent to your selected payment method. Regularly check your account for updates on your withdrawal status. If you encounter any issues, reach out to Dreamstime's customer support for assistance. Following these steps will help ensure a smooth withdrawal process for your earnings. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.